Hi guys, Fluff here. Welcome back to techbeatph.com, and today we're coming here again from Fulcrum Esports, and we're going to do an unboxing and first hands-on check of the new TECNO Spark 6. So do stick around the video and see if this is the right phone for you.
Let's open up and see what's inside the box. As soon as we open the box, we can immediately see the phone wrapped in its protective plastic cover. Let's set that aside for now. Now let's proceed to the second level and see what other goodies the phone has. Looking at the next level, we can see the hard case or a gel case in this instance, together with some documentation. Going deeper into the box, we can see the USB charger, diving deeper into the box, we can see a pair of headphones and the charging cable. Now let's go back to the phone. The Spark 6 Go is powered by the MediaTek Helio 820 quad-core processor. At the outside of the phone, it comes with a micro USB charger, a 3.5mm headphone jack. It has the toggle switch and power switch on the side, and also has a dual camera and a rear-facing fingerprint sensor. Now let's power up and set up the phone. The phone comes with a bright 6.5-inch display, which is really very responsive. We downloaded several popular apps on the phone, put it through its paces. We also watched several YouTube videos. As you can see here, it's very smooth and there are no drop frames. We will also put its cameras through its paces. Right now we can only use it to capture photos here in the shop, but soon we will take it out around big and videos to snap some photos.
There you have it guys, an unboxing and a first look and hands-on on the new TECNO Spark 6. So we will be doing a real-world review here soon. So do come back and watch out for it. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, click that thumbs up and notification bell icon for more coming from techbeatph.com.